Tried to set up my GoPro to record this, and battery says 88%, but when I turn the video on, it turns off and it says the battery is low. So I got to set up my phone and do what I can. Get some video for you guys to. My plan is to take this engine apart, break it down, do what I can for you. What I'm doing now is just taking the harness off of the engine. Taking the harness off. My plan is to drain the oil, take the front accessories off, water pump, power steering pump, and just get it down to the short block. I might take the heads off too. You know, that's the short block. So that's the plan. Drain the oil, take the front off, harness. Okay, harness off. I'm gonna start taking it apart. I've already pulled the harness off. Took the power steering pump off. So my plan is to drain the oil, take off the water pump, take off this AC bracket, get the heads off, get it down to the short block. I got to get the tool to take the harmonic balancer off, so I won't be doing that today. I may have to get it off of the engine hoist or the engine stand just to drain the oil, because you can see as soon as the oil comes out, it's going to hit this and make a big mess. So I may just have to take it off the engine stand, drain the oil, put it back on the stand, and then flip it over, you know, after I get the heads and everything off. Check the bottom, make sure everything looks good. But just want to give you all an update, but this is where we are so far. I forgot my tripod. I brought my GoPro because I was going to make a video, but as soon as I hit record, although it has 90% battery, as soon as I hit record, it says powering off because battery's low. So I don't have my tripod to hold my phone, which I'm using now, and then my GoPro doesn't want to work. So just gonna update you guys as I go. So let me get it off the engine stand, drain the oil, get it back on the engine stand, and then we'll start taking it apart. All right, zip the rear cover off. flex plate, put it back on the engine stand. Took off this valve cover, so now I'm getting ready to remove the front accessories, water pump, really not even accessories, just a water pump. So now I'm gonna get this water pump off, take the heads off, flip it over, get the oil pan off, and we'll do some inspection. All right, one side off. Man, this thing ran horribly. A bunch of carbon in there. I don't see any damage to the pistons other than just poor maintenance. Like that's just a buildup of carbon. Like on this one you can see somewhat of that cross point. You can see it better on 3, cylinder 3, you can see the cross point. And then on this one, 7, you can see it, but there's just a ton of carbon. The cylinder walls, I need to wipe them. They don't look bad at all. There's a groove on 3. Let me move this light too close. But yeah, there was a little groove there, and I think it's just from all that carbon. But they actually don't look bad, the actual cylinders, so that's good, just needs a cleaning. So all right, let me get this other head off and I'll be right back. All right, we got it down as far as I'm gonna go today. Like I said, I have to get the pulley for the harmonic balancer. I need to get the pulley to take that off, and I can take the front cover off. But so far, got it down to the short block, minus the cam. So one thing I did notice is because of my makeshift engine stand bolts, which are the power steering bolts with sockets, I can't spin the motor upside down because these will hit the frame. So I just pulled the oil pan off from the bottom and the pickup tube and all that stuff. So can't flip it over yet, but I will get different bolts so I can flip it upside down. That way I can check the crank, make sure everything is good with bearings and everything. But that's the update for today. So that's yep, all that carbon I was talking about. Got to get some cleaner and really get those cleaned. I'm trying to, I can see the cam through the video, or you know, not through the video, but I can see the cam. There you go, you can see a couple lobes. But I want to take the cam, I want to take this thing completely apart and inspect everything. So, but that's it for today. This side's the same way. You can see the carbon on top of the pistons. So, I mean, that lets me know that this was a running motor. I don't see anything broken. It rotates free. So, it just needs a good tear down, a good cleaning, put anything new in it that needs to be replaced, and put it back together. I got everything for this thing, all type of gaskets and new seals, new remain seals. So once this thing goes together, it shouldn't have to be opened back up for anything, unless of course, you know, a cam upgrade or something like that. But there shouldn't be anything this motor needs. I got oil pump, all type of stuff. So timing chain, yeah. So that's where we are for today.